Okay, here we are in part 34 of this project. So the bed's been on for about a week now. Haven't had time to mess with this, but we're gonna get this tailgate fixed up. So here's a standard tailgate. It's about 5 feet, and here's the bed opening, which is 7 feet. So I got to make this fit into this hole. Luckily, I have a second tailgate, which is going to be used for some extensions, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So let me see if I can throw, I think it's 10 inches per side, 10 inches this way, 10 inches that way, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. And here we are. After much cutting, grinding, and fitting, the tailgate is extended. So I put these 10-inch extensions, they're tack welded on right now. So I want to make sure this fits. This fits this opening right here. I'm going to do a trial fit. As long as it fits good, then I'm going to do the finish welds on this. If it doesn't fit good, at least I could just cut the tack welds, refit it, and then try it again. But it should, if all my measurements are right, it's got a 1/4 inch per side clearance, and that should be about right. And it is one heavy tailgate. I just picked it up. It's a monster. Okay, let me get it thrown on there, and then I'll do another update. Okay, here's the trial fit of the tailgate. Everything came out picture perfect. All the I was really worried about the width of it. So we're supposed to have about a 1/4 inch here. There's a little bit of adjustment I can do too, then about a 1/4 inch here. So I was really worried about that. So yeah, I took my measurements correctly. Everything worked out the first time. So now that it fits, I've opened it and closed it. I put the hinges in there, but I have a new one on this one on order because the old one broke when I was removing it. So that'll be here in a couple days. So now I'm just gonna now I can finish my welds, do my finish welds, and then I'm gonna do all reinforcements. You won't be able to see them, but they'll be all under here and on the back side here. I'm gonna reinforce it all the way down. So from the outside you won't be able to see anything different. And then I'm just gonna squirt it with white primer, just so it kind of matches, and just to protect all the welds, just so it doesn't rust in the short term. But yeah, look, check it out. The look is finally coming in. And then I think next week I'm gonna start on the side panels, so that's gonna be all flushed out too. So there it is. And then I gotta do my bumper. Let you guys check it all out. And I'll put them all, I'll just compile all in one video. So yeah, man, my little welding rig is coming in handy. So, okay, I'll keep you posted on the next update. Okay, and what seems like part 137 of this bed project. Here it is. The bed sides are on. The tailgate is widened. It works great. I'll show you the spacing there. Pretty much looks factory on the spacing. Haven't done any body work, so you can see a little bit. Needs a little bit of body work where I made the welds, but really not too bad. And then this one, the line, you can still see the line where I pieced it in, but these are removable. So I pull a pin, and then there's a latch, and this comes off on both sides. So you can't really, I mean, I guess, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's a, you can see the seam, but I mean, I think it looks pretty good. So it's almost a 10-foot bed, just over 9.5 feet long now. And then just for a recap, I've widened it 20 inches, so it's 20 inches wider. And you can see it fits the body pretty good. I still got to figure something out for the bumper. The bumpers I was going to use didn't come through for widening, so I might do an aftermarket bumper on the back. It does need something. But yeah, here it is. Give you a quick walk around. Daily Driver Cabover. And then we're gonna start working on the front here. Drop visor and a nice chrome bumper too. Just overall cleaning everything up. So that's the major part of the project. Thank God that's over, because that took forever. I can't believe how much little stuff just came up and up and up. But there's the final project. Now we're gonna start doing different stuff like bigger pipes. A lot of little stuff's gonna go on. So I'll keep you guys posted. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments. This is the final look for Pugly. I think we're gonna wrap it. So we're gonna do the body work, and then probably wrap it. And I'm gonna see what color I'm gonna wrap it, because it's too big to fit in most paint booths out here in Hawaii. So wrapping is the next best thing. So we'll see what happens there. But all right, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.